Are you tired of feeling lost in the world of stock market? Do you dream of transforming yourself from a stock market novice to a true investor, making confident and informed investment decisions? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has the potential to change the way you perceive stock market investing forever. Picture this. You are sitting at your computer, analyzing stock charts, and trying to make sense of the endless sea of numbers and fluctuating prices. But deep down, you feel like something is missing, a roadmap that guides you through the ups and downs of the market, allowing you to seize opportunities and avoid pitfalls. That's where the power of understanding stock phases comes into play. By recognizing and comprehending the distinct stages that stocks go through, you can tap into a wellspring of knowledge that can help you navigate the market with confidence and precision. Today, I'll be your guides on this thrilling journey from novice to smart investor. I'll reveal the secrets of stock phases, showing you how to identify key indicators, interpret market trends, and ultimately become the smart investor of your own investment story. But first, let's take a step back and ask ourselves, what exactly are stock phases? How do they impact the market? And how can we leverage this knowledge to our advantage? Let's get into the importance of knowing the current status of stocks and understanding the 4 different phases they go through: hold, exit, entry, or remain out. Watch this video till the end to grab your free special offer. Let's imagine, you're walking into a casino, and you have no idea which games are hot and which ones are not. You're essentially gambling blindly, right? Well, the same principle applies to the stock market if we don't know the current situation of the stock and what action need to be taken at the right time. Knowing the status of a stock is crucial to making informed investment decisions. So let's break down each of the 4 phases and explore why it's important to identify them. 1. Hold. First up, we have the hold phase. This is when a stock is performing well and shows potential for future growth. Think of it as a green light to stay invested. By identifying stocks in the hold phase, you can make strategic decisions to hold on to them for the long term, allowing your investments to compound and grow over time. 2. Exit. As not every stock is a winner for all their lifetime. Sometimes, a stock enters the bad or exit phase. This is when its performance takes a nosedive, and it's time to book profit or cut your losses and move on. Ignoring the exit phase can lead to significant losses, so it's vital to recognize when a stock is no longer a wise investment and exit before it's too late. 3. Entry. Now, let's talk about the right entry phase. This is the sweet spot for investors, as it represents an opportunity to enter a stock at a favorable price. Identifying stocks in the entry phase allows you to capitalize on potential future growth and maximize your returns. It's like finding a hidden gem before it becomes mainstream. 4. Remain out. Finally, we have the remain out phase. This phase is characterized by uncertain market conditions or stocks with limited potential for growth. It's crucial to identify stocks in this phase to avoid investing in situations where the risk outweighs the potential reward. Staying out of such stocks protects your capital and preserves your investment portfolio's stability. By understanding these 4 different technical stock phases, and also backed by the company's fundamental analysis, you become the smart investor of the stock market. You gain the ability to make informed decisions and navigate the unpredictable waters of equity investing. Whether it's holding on to promising stocks, recognizing when it's time to exit, seizing entry opportunities, or staying away from risky situations, knowing the stock phases gives you a significant advantage. Remember, being the smart investor of the stock market starts with knowing the status of stocks. Are you curious to know the current phase of your favorite stocks? Well, I've got an exciting offer for you. Share the names of your favorite stocks in the comments below, and I promise to personally reply with the current phase status of each stock. Imagine having access to clear, concise information about the phase in which each of your stock currently resides. Just think about the power that would give you to make precise investment decisions that work in your favor to maximize your return. So, make sure you stay tuned for more valuable insights and strategies to help you become a successful investor. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching.